It's Thursday's market SITREP here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley. My call sign is Wiz, and we knocked out Options Weapon School session number 3 this morning. I looked at a bullish double vertical on VXX, folks. This is a smoke the hopium rally here. I mean, the implosion on the Comey memo wasn't the big one, right? It wasn't the Fred Sanford, I'm coming, Elizabeth. Wasn't a big one because it turns out the guy's either a felon or he's a felon, and kind of smart people figured out that was a big overreaction. This is a huge overreaction. This and a little bit of yesterday and today, a little bit of a short squeeze, folks. If you think the market's going to be long going into a 3-day weekend, when you got Kim launching bottle rockets, Trump tweeting, China slowing down, a lot of things that can go bump in the night, folks. We're getting hypoxic up here, okay? I remain market neutral, but this is crazy. This is why I put on the bullish double vertical on VXX. If you didn't get a chance to attend that session, you can head to go.topgunoptions.com/replay. Real hard to figure out. So on here is last night's Iron Condor training session that I did on Apple, and then also Monday or Tuesday's primary live trade brief where we took a look at some trades on Apple, the S&P 500, and also Goldman Sachs. So you can head to go.topgunoptions.com/replay. Now, real quick, if you're on the fence, we had 25 slots. As of me shooting this video, I think we have about 11 remaining. We do have 11 remaining. So you can head to go.topgunoptions.com/get OWS, Get Options Weapon School. That's pretty easy to remember, Get OWS. And you can grab your annual slot here for either $9.95, or if you want Options Weapon School plus weekly options, it's $14.95, okay? When we fill up the 11, folks, that's it. You'll have to wait until we do the next Options Weapon School, which isn't on our flight schedule anytime soon. I teach Options Weapon School. I'm going to teach 8 sessions. Probably Tuesdays and Thursday nights for about 4 weeks, 7 to 9, and it's going to be a good time, folks. So, well, let's talk about the market. World stocks hit record, oil falls on OPEC cuts deal, and other than that, Ms. Lincoln, how's the play? Q2 GDP to suffer as retail and wholesale inventories tumble in April. Folks, the macroeconomic data just isn't that good. Where's the? Let me show you the. Where is the great chart that I had? It essentially was the macroeconomic data going down and this S&P 500 going up. Folks, those two lines on that chart are going to intersect. And when they do, it's going to be violent. It's going to be ugly. I mean, it's almost like we've even forgotten about the terrorist attack over in Manchester. Didn't happen to us. Next. This is bad, folks. There is a lot of potential bad out there. I've been covering it all week. Moody's cutting China's credit rating for the first time since we were partying like it's 1989. Terrorist attack overseas. Kim Jong-un launching another bottle rocket. And the big thing about this one is it has a re-entry vehicle, which means nukes. Troops in Guam, Okinawa, definitely in danger. Hawaii's in danger. West Coast is in danger of this freaking madman. And here we are just kind of whistling past the graveyard. Political crisis down in Brazil, which we got long last week. Hopefully you got that. Well, if you're not a member, you didn't get that trade, but hopefully EWZ, look at this. Look at the bounce back. I sent out an urgent alert Thursday to get into the EWZ, and a nice bounce off 32 up to 35 bucks. Another great trade. Definitely would be looking long to get long Brazil here. But we're just, here's the headline. Stocks near record highs as U.S. economic data crashes to 15-month lows. Here's the chart I was looking at or wanted. Look at this. The U.S. Macro Surprise Index, kind of following the S&P 500, and then we implode. The macro data isn't good, but we are just sitting here. The plunge protection team is bidding this market higher, folks. One of the reasons that vol is, I'll show you the VXX trade in a second, that vol has stayed so cheap is because, you ready? The Journal nailed it the other day because it doesn't know exactly what to be worried about. I just briefed you on about 5 or 6 things that will freak this market the hell out if the bad happens. But take a look at this trade. I got filled on VXX. It's already up 150 bucks since we put this trade on. It's a bullish double vertical. I think something is going to happen to creep this market the hell out. Actually, I just got filled on the bull put spread. I didn't get filled on the bull call spread yet. I got to go down to 26 cents here. So I didn't get filled on the whole trade. I misspoke. Just the bull put spread, and just the bull put spread is up 150 bucks in about an hour here. So it's time to get long vol, folks. I'll actually show you the full trade here. Here it is. So it's the 13.5 bull put spread and the 14.5 15 bull call spread, okay? This is called a bullish double vertical. Watch the replay or join Options Weapon School. I'm going to give you an hour and a half to 2 hour training on this top secret tactic, okay? I'm risking $4,500 to potentially make $10,500. How does this make max profit? If something happens between now and 2.5 to 3 weeks from now, there you go, filled on the bullish double vertical. I just got filled right in front of you. So there it is, right there. Let me click Analyze and check the metrics out. So there you go, folks. Take a look at the VIX. Last week, sitting there fat, dumb, and happy, what happens? Comey memo. Holy crap. The VIX is below its resting heart rate of 11. We're down here around 10. The thing went up to 15.5, folks. In the blink of an eye. That is going to happen again. Look at what happens to volatility. Something happens to freak the market the hell out, and then when that goes away, it implodes. So I got a bullish double vertical on because we were down to like 950 this morning on the VIX, folks. It's stupid. When vol is cheap, you buy it. When it's expensive, you sell it. Vol's cheap right now. It's time to buy, okay? If you don't get anything that I just said, it's time for you to grab your Options Weapon School slot and get on board here. Like I said, I will do tomorrow's session at 1 o'clock, even if we fill up our 11 slots tomorrow. I'll be talking about weekly options, and I'm also going to debrief all the Options Weapon School trades I did this week. Okay, so grab your slot. You can head to if you want to register for the final session. Where is it here? go.topgunoptions.com/OWS. And your name, email, put a cell phone number in there if you want to get a text alert of the trades that I cover tomorrow, and we'll throw in a copy of the Options Pocket Checklist and a trade plan. So if this is the first time you're hearing that we had Options Weapon School this week, and you still want to attend tomorrow's closing session, go.topgunoptions.com/OWS. Okay? I got to run. Got to get ready for another live trade brief. Have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll be back tomorrow with Friday's market wrap-up. We'll see you.